Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about heat equilibrium. All the substances on Earth have molecules. These molecules always move. Some molecules move very fast while others don't move so fast. The energy of a molecule moving is called temperature. Now, the faster the molecule moves, the more higher the temperature is. However, the colder the molecule moves, the less temperature it will be.
Temperature is measured by using a thermometer, and there are different types of thermometers. The one is the weather thermometer. The other one is the food thermometer, and let's not forget to get the body thermometer.
Now, there are different types of scales to measure the temperature. There are 3 scales. These 3 scales are called Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin scales. Scientists mostly use the Kelvin scales, while Fahrenheit and Celsius are mostly used by people around the world. Let's begin our experiment. So I'm going to be using the red drops for my hot water, and that's going to be used the purple one for the cold one. So I'm going to be 0.3, that's going to be 0.3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. It looks like a black cannon is.
As you can see, Idan says the food coloring is slowly starting to spread, but if you look at mine already spread out. So this is somewhat like an example that the molecules inside this water are moving much more faster than the molecules inside the cold water. So this is another way of saying that the molecules inside the hot water move much more faster than the molecules inside the cold water. So I'm going to be pouring my hot water into this empty jar.
And I'm going to be pouring my cold water in this empty jar, and me and Taryn are going to share equally. So he's going to put hot water 50 and I'm going to put cold water 50.
First, let me pour mine. Okay, so I poured some of mine. Don't just pour some of yours, not like a whole lot. I see. Yeah, it's good.
I think.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay, yeah.
So as you can see, when I touch this water,
it's warm. It's warm.
When I touch this water, it's not as hot as this one. Instead, it's actually warm. This is called equilibrium. This is where the two of the same substances, like for example, we took this water, they actually mix together and create a temperature which is in between of them. The molecules in the hot water and the molecules in the cold water, when they met, they knew that there was a difference between them, so they tried to equalize it. This equalizing is called equilibrium. And since this is happening in the heat energy, it's called heat equilibrium. So previously, a couple months ago, we created this video, and it was the rainbow skittle experiment. In the plate, we had a high concentration level at the sides, but in the middle, in the liquid, there was no concentration level. Because of this, the concentration levels try to equalize with each other, therefore making the colors go down towards the middle. Another one you can take is air pressure. There's a higher pressure and a low air pressure. The low air pressure is where winds moves very fast and swiftly, while the higher pressure is where wind stays calm and soft. When these both higher pressure and low air pressure meet together, they actually try to equalize with each other. So this is called equilibrium, another example. So when they come together, they create a regular decent wind or breeze. So in conclusion, all substances will try to equalize the temperature between each other and maintain equilibrium.